Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Aloo Tuk Chaat. Peel 6 to 7 raw potatoes. Cut them into halves. If potatoes are big, cut them in quarters as shown. Take tap water, add some salt. Drops potatoes in it. Soak them for 10 minutes. Strain and wash. Arrange potatoes one by one on kitchen towels. Pat them dry with kitchen towel. Drop potatoes in medium hot oil. Deep fry until potatoes are light golden brown or almost cooked. Deep fry 7 to 8 minutes. Check with fork whether cook or not. Remove it on absorbent paper and allow it to cool down a bit. Potatoes are almost cooked. Now it's time to smash the potatoes. Flat side down. Take a bowl or glass, smash the potatoes as shown. Perfect tuk shape is ready. Do this for all. Smash it gently. Make sure potatoes are not hot, otherwise it will turn into mashed potato. Perfect aloo tuk shape is ready. Repeat the same procedure for remaining potatoes. Now it's time to fry the aloo tuk. Double frying the smashed potatoes to make them more crispy. Add aloo tuk in hot oil. Do not stir until they hold the shape, otherwise tuk will break. Flip and fry until crispy and golden brown. Remove the tuks. Now it's time to make aloo tuk masala. Add some butter. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1 to 2 pinches amchur powder. 1 to 2 pinches black pepper powder. 1 to 2 pinches chaat masala. 1/4 teaspoon fennel powder. Salt to taste. Roast on low flame. Turns aromatic. Add fried potatoes tuk. Coat well. No worries if they turn too salty, just trust the process. Aloo Tuk is ready. Transfer it to serving dish. Sprinkle coriander leaves. Sprinkle some rock salt and cumin powder. Aloo Tuk is ready for making chaat. Take 150 grams curd, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon black salt. Combine well. Add dash of water. Combine well. Time to assembling. Pour beaten sweetened curd. Add green chutney. Pour some sweet chutney. Sprinkle some chopped onion. Chopped tomato. Sprinkle some black salt, cumin powder, chili powder. Again layer with curd. Sweet chutney. Green chutney. Top it up with nylon sieve. Pomegranate. Garnish with coriander leaves. Serve immediately to enjoy the delicious Aloo Tuk. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.